So hello, how you are doing? I wish you are doing good. So let me introduce you about the Grow Inspector asset. It's a new asset available on Unity at the store. You can just link it inside the description. And yeah, as I said already, it's a productivity boost asset or kind of plugin for Unity editor. So instead of talking a lot, let me show you about it. So I open my Unity editor. So first let's install the asset. So I give the asset link in description. You can just directly go over there and then you have to click on open in Unity. Or instead of this, I'm just going in Unity editor as I already purchased it. Then going in Windows, package manager, and down menu of packages, and then going in my assets. After this, I have to just search Pro Inspector over here. And yeah, see, I got my asset over here by Inverse Studio version 1.4. It's available for the highest Unity version to the lowest one. We have to click on download and start downloading. It's less than MB, so it will download in a blink of your eyes. Now we have to click on import, and that's our asset, and then click on import again. And just second more, and almost done. And here we go. See how I said it imported. Now we have to go in the tools and the Pro Inspector. See, here we have a lot of settings that we can make and do, and a lot of things to enable and disable. It's all like if you really don't like the asset interfering in your main Unity, you can just choose the interface that you're using for, or you can start exactly you wanting it to start. Okay, so let me open the demo scene that is inside the Explorer, and that's manager, demo, scenes, demo. And we have to import the text mesh tool as it's important that because it's that used in the example scene. So in the hierarchy, we will open the drop down menu, and then we can see that in the inspector we have a thing called add global nodes and add object nodes. So let's start from here first. So that's just a simple nodes for every individual and for the global. Like for example, I'm going to add a global node for test video project. See, I make a global node, and here I can also write the content like this is a showcase about node system in Pro Inspector. And then we have to click on save nodes, and it's done. See, we will get this node on every asset as it's a global node, and for the individual project, like for the individual, we can simply go over here, add node for the object, and make it like it's a core and the content. it contains all the system files and save. Say it's a object node, so it will only get attached to the object. We can even delete them or edit them and just save them again. And the next is the slide menu. So for project like Chrome Spectrum, interface and navigation bar. If we start it, say you will see we get a navigation bar over there. Like if we go there and then we click on it anywhere like canvas or text mesh component or code. Like now it noted the all objects. Like now we can see we are going just on the same pattern of the object list that we used to just go, like from the directional like to the canvas to the text object and then code. See, it reminds everything. And yeah, this is kind of like easy for managing multiple things together. For example, see, we have a direction light and let me make a new one. So see, if we go over here and then done, then we can like make the settings more easily. Like if we are doing comparison of the settings, then we can easily do from here, like doing fast comparison. Or if we want to copy the properties, like yeah, we did the comparison, now we have to copy the properties of it. So for this also we have a feature, we're going here and then copy paste button. After this we will get a button over here for the elements, like for example here making some random genius. So I make some random genius and now I want to make these changes directly over there. So instead of doing this, that and copy components, I'm just going to click over on this button and then go over here and just paste values. See, it's pasted in seconds and so easy to use. And that's it. And also we're going to see the another interface, save and play mode. It's so useful. We can save the values, the positions, everything, every trigger, events, everything in the play mode from here. So for an example, let me show you how. I'm going in build mode. See, I'm in play mode and the cube rotating. So let me stop the cube at the random position. So like this. See, we stop the cube like this. Or okay, so now see it starts spinning. Let me now change the values in the running game. So what is going into the and seeing this color, I just click on it and make it anything I like. I just did, and then closing it. Close it, and then we just have to click over here, like save, and we click down save. And now same we're going to do for the spinning cube. For this, I'm going to save its position that is going right now. I just click on save, but see, it's also that save. And the numbers we are seeing below over here, we just have to click on this and write anything we write, and we're going to click on save. We save multiple values that we like, and now we're going to exit the play mode. But see, we exit the play mode, but still our settings are as it is, and we can even make them as it is. The next is component windows. Like it's a good one for the fast production. And the next is component window. So for this we have to hold I, and then we can drag and drop our game elements to make them an individual window for like this. See? See, I add them in here. and then we can just directly do like this. It's so easy, and we even have a kind of toolkits over also here. We can easily do like this, or if we want, then we can make individual windows of everything that we like this, or like this. We can just pull out all the things that we need and read them out, and even close them when we want. And the next is component animation. It's just improve the opening and the another animations, and there is appearance, like there is minimal mode. It will make the inspector look manageable, not so over complex. Like say here we have a lot of things that we can see over there. So it will going to enable it. See, it removes all things, and they will only appear when you hover on them. See, it's that minimal loop, and things we got when we hover on them. Next is like this, there are more same things, and we have shortcuts also, and there are settings for the closing attributes, nodes, and we also have online documentation. If you have any problem or you have any question about the attribute APIs, there is everything. There is everything that you have to know. If you have quickies, get started a fully detailed documentation for beginner friendly to help you to boost your productivity. And thank you for this video, and that's it for this video. I hope you like this asset, and don't forget the asset link is inside the description. Yeah, that's for now. Thank you.